What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Universal Studios of Japan, which is both of our first times ever being here. Actually, this is our first time being in Osaka too.
My first time being in Japan, but you know,
Yeah.
we don't count that, I guess.
I just want to let you guys know the weather is very unpredictable here. It is literally freezing right now. Like my hands are already frozen.
55.
Yeah, and when we left Tokyo, I had a big, thick jacket, and I was like, oh, I'm not gonna need it because in Tokyo it wasn't even that cold, and over here it's freezing. Like when I say freezing, I mean freezing. Yeah, he has a big old thick jacket. I'm gonna be freezing up in here.
I'm smart.
Y'all, we have a mission today to try to do all the big rides. We don't really do the small rides, you know, because we don't even fit on them. Shit, we barely even fit on the big rides.
The goal is to get on the roller coasters.
Yeah, the roller coasters.
And the rides that we don't have.
And well, Super Mario, what's it called? Mario Land? Nintendo World. Y'all, I don't know the names of anything.
This is the OG one too, so.
Oh, is it really the first one?
Yeah, it opened up here, and then it opened up at Hollywood, and then it's going to Orlando.
Literally didn't know that. But I do have to say though, from what I've seen so far, this park looks absolutely beautiful. And I'm like super, super excited. I just hope it doesn't rain. Because y'all, this rain has been ruining everything.
Everyone's just camera footage, but it makes me feel alive.
Yeah, for some reason he likes
I
to
love
claim
the rain, and I love the snow, and I love the cold. I thrive in it.
Yeah,
what can I say?
Big old burly bear. Okay, we'll call him Jason Kelsey over here.
Fine by me. That's my spirit animal.
Oh, God. Anyways, y'all, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. We would appreciate that. Let's go ahead and get inside the park. This is the walkway into Universal Studios Japan. I do recommend getting there early because they actually open the park earlier than the scheduled time. Say, for example, if they say 8 o'clock, they'll normally open at 7:30. First, we headed to the Jaws attraction. We couldn't record in a lot of rides. Actually, a lot of rides did have lockers, too, for you to put your phones in because they didn't want people having their phones. And then at the Jaws ride, it specifically said do not record. So we couldn't record much, but after Jaws, we headed over to Nintendo World, which was super exciting to go to the first ever Nintendo World in Universal Studios. Y'all, this is our first time ever in Super Nintendo World, and extra special because it's in Japan.
The very first one. We didn't even go to the one back home.
Yeah, we still haven't been to the one in Hollywood, and that's like 35 miles from our home. Oh my God, we're gonna go through the tunnel. Go inside there, Bowser. Oh my gosh, this place is overwhelming. Look how crazy it is.
Honestly, this is too small. This is way too small. They need to make this bigger.
Yes, this is tiny. It's intense in here. Oh my God. But super
this is cool.
They need like 1,000 less people in here.
Dude,
though, to
I
be
wish
quite
the
honest.
Donkey Kong was open. Look at it in the back. The
Look,
Donkey Kong
you
temple.
can see the new Donkey Kong. Wow. Okay, let's go figure out what we're gonna do. If you wanted to meet any characters like Princess Peach, you're gonna have to wait a long time. Let me tell you, these lines to meet the characters were literally over an hour and 30 minutes. I want to say shout out to Jelly's ex. He's right here, Bowser.
Peach, you're so cool.
Oh, you can't even walk over here.
Gonna rule. What is this thing?
Oh, it is intense in here. Okay, single rider is definitely the way to go. Let me tell y'all, because this shit is intense. Put on them glasses in your big old head. They're not gonna fit my big head.
How are you? It's the most uncomfortable thing in my life. This does not fit.
After we got off the ride, we headed over to Yoshi's Snack Island to grab a little snack. And I do have to point out, their food at theme parks in Japan is so cheap compared to America.
Got ourselves a little melon Yoshi drink here.
It's like yogurt. I already tried mine. It's like melon yogurt. Yeah.
That scares me.
It's literally melon yogurt. Tastes like a Go-Gurt. Yeah, I told you, I was like, I don't really like it, honestly.
Anyways.
So what do you think of it?
Tastes like a Dannon. The Dannon yogurts, yeah.
It literally is like a yogurt.
Maybe if once I mix it all in and stuff, but like...
I thought it was like a slush.
I thought it was gonna be like a soda. Maybe
that's what I thought, like an Italian soda.
Yeah. Anyways.
Well, Take a bite of your Yoshi. Oh yeah, we'll give it a minute.
It's a green turtle shell, actually. All right.
It's Yoshi shell.
No.
This fool is trying this and it's like 150 degrees, but okay.
It's cold out. It's like 54.
Well, it's freezing outside, so. Yakisoba.
Yeah, really good.
It's good?
Okay.
Okay, so at least it makes up for the drink, huh?
Yeah, 100%. I mean, look at that. It's all nice and gooey on the inside. Really cheesy. Overall, delicious. The bread, too, it's nice and soft. And it's like, reminds me of sourdough. But
Their bread over here in Japan is super soft.
really good. Like, spot on.
After Nintendo World, we headed over to Harry Potter Land, and y'all, this was just as packed as Nintendo World. And you know what's so crazy is this is considered off-season as well. It was a weekday. So I have to say, if you guys are going to Universal Studios Japan, I don't think there is any off day. It is just busy 24/7. If you guys have been to Universal Orlando, the Harry Potter Land looked pretty similar. Like they had the same rides, except for they do not have the Hagrid's ride, which y'all know is our favorite ride. And then they do have a separate land for all the kids. And I do have to say, it is so cute. We didn't do any of the attractions over here. We were going to get some snacks, but for some reason, the lines for the snacks in this land were so long. I think because they had a whole bunch of exclusive Hello Kitty stuff. They also have like a big, well, actually 2 different Hello Kitty stores. So if you guys are into Hello Kitty, they got everything you need. Y'all, we just left from Harry Potter, and now we are in...
This is like their Hollywood.
Yeah, they're like
Land.
Hollywood backlot. So far, this park is really, really cool. And I do want to tell you guys...
A lot of wasted space, though, just saying.
Yeah, this part over here, like, I don't know if you guys can see. There's really not
that's the only
much.
ride behind us in this little area.
Yeah.
The one in Orlando has 3 rides.
This is me the whole time, literally bundled up. And I have a big old jacket. I bought this big old jacket literally to come over here, and I was like, oh, I'm not gonna need it because in Tokyo I haven't had to have it once. Y'all, it's freezing today. Literally freezing. By the way, if you're going to be coming here, as I think I mentioned earlier, single rider is the way to go. There's 3 of us that traveled over here, and we've been riding single rider, and we've basically finished the whole park. It's like 120 right now, and I think we only have 1 big ride left, so...
And you can get lucky sometimes to start out with your party.
Yeah, 2 times we actually hopped in the same car, and then when we went on the, what was it called?
Goomba's Mario Kart challenge.
The Mario Kart ride. Y'all know I don't know anything about this, okay? It was really fun though, by the way. When we went on there, actually me and my friend sat next to each other, ironically enough, so I highly recommend single rider line because say for example, like for that ride, it said it was 180 minutes, and we waited in there for like 20. So it saves so much more time, and we're actually gonna be able to finish the park early and still go check out the rest of Osaka, which yesterday, y'all, it was raining all day long, so we didn't get to really experience it. So I think that's really cool. Highly recommend doing single riders, and that's coming from somebody who's big, who don't like to sit next to other people. I like my space. And on top of that too, I feel like when you go with a group, it's so much more fun to like, you know, go on the ride with your friend or brother, but I don't know. Well, also, first of all, I gotta say too, as on these rides, I don't even know if me and Nate can fit next to each other. Like us on the damn go-kart ride, I don't know.
I barely fit on some of them.
That wouldn't have worked, but we're just gonna go check out this Demon Slayer, which is
it's like a 4D roller coaster.
Like, ride
I read the
thing.
description. You put it like on some 3D glasses.
It
used to be
confusing.
Attack on Titan, and before that it was their version of like a Space Mountain type ride, but both of those are gone.
Yeah, honestly, it looks like Cosmic Rewind in Disney Epcot because it has like those little carts that spin. Well, I don't know, from what I've seen. It could be different, yeah, because the thing that I'm talking about is a space ride that they actually changed out for this, I believe. So we're gonna find out. Also, I did forget to mention, we have not been able to record a lot of the interior rides because they do make you put your stuff away. And y'all, they are strict here. Like with the very first roller coaster we went on, like you couldn't have anything in your pockets. They came to wand you down literally with a metal detector, and they're like super, super strict with it. So do keep that in mind too. So that's why we haven't been able to get much footage inside the rides, only of outside the rides, but Hey. Also, Nate may be trying a Hello Kitty bao bun. We're gonna see right now. Maybe try a snack. They also sell all different types of like churros too. They have a strawberry one. I may get a strawberry one. You guys will see in a bit. They have a ride testing seat before you hop in line because let me just be real with you guys, this ride is not big people friendly. Nate was really struggling, but he did fit, and actually he was the only one out of our group to go on this ride. Y'all, so Nate actually just got off the Demon Slayer. I ended up not getting on the Demon Slayer because I saw the little VR set and like it like looked like it was spinning and stuff. So I was like, I'm good on that.
That was fun.
And on top of that too, we waited in the single rider line for an hour and 30 minutes. It was like, it was a long
Sure
time.
enough, though, the minute he left, I got up there in like 10 minutes.
And I wasn't gonna get on it regardless because I was like, oh no. As soon as I saw that little screen and like they shoved the screen on you, I was like, nah, I'm good on that. So far though, my favorite ride is Flying with the Dinosaur. I think that's what it's called, or Flying Dinosaur. That is like the best ride.
The pterodactyl.
The pterodactyl. What was your favorite so far?
I mean, honestly, I really like that one too. But I did like the Demon Slayer. I think I would like it a lot better if I actually watched anime, especially Demon Slayer.
Yeah.
Timmy already heard me say this several times. The only anime I've ever watched has been Attack on Titan.
It used to be Attack on Titan, so that's why he was like, oh damn, he was hoping that it would be
yeah, because
Attack
I
on
don't watch
Titan.
anime. That's the only one I watch. And then the Attack on Titan one looked really sick. But you know, I got Demon Slayer. It was still really fun though. Like,
yeah.
it would have been a lot cooler if it was like the old Space Mountain type ride.
Yeah, I had heard before it was a better version of a Space Mountain, but then they changed it out. I guess they changed the theming of it every now and then, so
Yeah.
I don't know. But
For rides that we don't have either in Orlando or back in Hollywood, I mean, I prefer the Demon Slayer. It's unique.
Yeah. I will say this park is beautiful though. They put like some quality money into the decor, into the architecture. Everything is cool. Like I went back to the Minions Land and I was like, the Minions Land is absolutely beautiful. Like I thought it was so cool and way better than ours in Hollywood. And I know that they're opening or probably already opened a new one in Orlando, but we haven't been there yet though. So we're gonna walk around and grab another snack before we end out our day, and we'll let you guys know our final thoughts of Tokyo. I was gonna say Tokyo Disney, of Universal Japan, y'all. We're not even in Tokyo; it's in Osaka, so it's just called USJ. Anyways, let's go get a snacky snack. This is their New York theme land. There's really not much to do over here, but it is really pretty to look at. There is some restaurants as well as snack shops too, but other than that, not too much as far as attractions. It's just kind of a place to like walk by, take pictures, and chill. They have a really cute minion section. I think it was decorated so nice. I love the decor. I do have to say though, they could have fit more attractions because it's a really big space. And it was freezing, but that wasn't going to stop me from getting a banana flavored ice cream. This thing was delicious and so cute because it looked like a little minion. Also, it had little fruit pieces inside of it. It was delicious. Nate got this pretty cute Hello Kitty bao bun. What does it have inside of it?
It is pork with cheese.
Oh, pork and
I've
cheese.
never had a bao bun with cheese.
It's actually
sticky, though.
super cute. Okay, take a bite because we want to see what the inside of Hello Kitty looks like.
That's actually really good.
Okay, low-key though, the Yoshi balls look better.
It's very flavorful. Now, it tastes a lot better if I didn't let it go cold, but it is like 51 degrees out here, so. But honestly, delicious. You can really taste the cheese. Tastes a lot of the pork.
We're gonna go check out Hard Rock over here. And
Shake Shack.
before closing out, Shake Shack. Before closing out this video, we want to show y'all their Universal
Walk.
City Walk that I want to keep on calling Downtown Disney. I want to call everything Downtown Disney. I don't know why.
The
But
hotels down here are nice.
Nate's gonna look for a shirt at Hard Rock because
I can't
he's
find anything
determined to
2X
find an
plus.
Osaka shirt. And it does say Universal City Walk Osaka. Let's see what they got. Moss Burger, don't play.
Sushi diner, what the heck? Okay, that's so cute.
Y'all, if you guys come to Japan, try out Moss Burger. It's actually pretty good. We did try it the other day. I think it'll be in another vlog. I'm sure you guys will see it. This is super cute.
I already like this better than ours.
No, ours is
Yes.
really nice. I like ours.
It's more spacious here though. Wow.
Nate finally got his little mochis that he's been looking for.
Because I've been looking for a small pack. Everywhere's like this pack of like 20 plus and it's one flavor.
This has 3 different flavors.
It's got strawberry, vanilla, and
show 'em.
matcha.
Wow. Oh, cool. I think they have an emoji of that, actually. An emoji of the mochi. How is it?
They're pretty good. But they are not as good as the little green men, I tell you that.
Well, the little green man were bomb from Disneyland or Disney Sea.
For my dinner, guys, well, Timmy decided to be plain and get an American cheeseburger. I went ahead and got me a top sirloin katsu from this place down over. Now, we're still at the... Yes, what he said. What was it called?
Gayu katsu.
Gayu katsu. Anyways, I was gonna go for Wagyu, but their takeout is only top sirloin. Real quick, kind of funny, the guy told me it was Wagyu, but Google translated it was top sirloin. Whatever. So, we're gonna go ahead and give this a little try. We are still also at the downtown city walk of Universal. It's very lackluster, honestly. Looks good, but
That's really good.
it's lackluster. Maybe the Wagyu would taste better, but overall, I don't know. It just tastes plain, sadly.
Y'all, so we just walked the little Universal walk. I do have to say it's cute, but really not all that much. So we're gonna call it a wrap on this. Oh, wow. You see it sparkle at night. Oh, sorry, you guys can't see it. Because if I turn it this way, yeah,
Because
it's
you
not.
guys don't sparkle. Anyway.
Oh, look at him throwing shade at you guys. You guys better talk
just
shit to him in
kidding.
the comments.
I love you guys. I love everyone.
Oh my god, he's a liar. He's
I'm a
fake.
lover.
Miss Congeniality over here.
I don't even know what that means anyway.
Anyways, I do have to say overall this was a beautiful park. Highly recommend it if you guys make your way over here. Like, I really liked it. I do definitely think Orlando is better, but this is my second favorite. On top of that too, it's like a different, better experience because you're in Japan, you know, and the food's cheaper.
On top of all that, I view it very similar to ours in Hollywood, but it is 20 times better.
No, there's way more.
Talking about ride-wise, all right? Like, ride-wise, I feel like this.
We don't even have
rides.
one single roller coaster there. Well, I guess the Mummy.
The Mummy.
That's
but
it.
Either which way, it is better. I mean, you can only compare it to the 3 that we've been to, so I do agree, though. It is way better. Orlando, got to beat, though.
And especially with Epic Universe coming out, which, by the way, we're going to be going there like opening day, whenever
Hopefully.
that is. No, we're going to do it.
Oh,
we're
well,
going for sure.
yes, I'm
it's on
going
my
for
bucket
free.
list.
Anyways.
Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys ever make it to Osaka, highly recommend it. On top of that, too, oh my gosh, the workers are amazing and so nice.
You know,
Like, so
that's just everywhere in Japan, honestly. The
Yeah.
people are friendly, whether it's the locals or the workers. Even everybody I run into is just super nice over here for some reason. Can't get that in America, not gonna lie.
For real. Anyways, y'all, we hope you guys liked it. I literally always do that. I don't know if you noticed. I always do it because I'm so tired right now, y'all.
It's been very long.
Very
Somehow,
long.
somewhere, we're still trying to adjust to the time change too.
It's a lot. We hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.